Can a single pill protect your heart and prevent serious health problems? Let's talk about Plavix, a trusted medication by Sanofi. In this video, I will explain what Plavix is, how it works, its uses, possible side effects, and the right dose for adults and older adults. Stay tuned with me to learn how it might help you or someone you love. First of all, introduction. Plavix is a life-saving medication designed to prevent heart attacks and strokes, especially for those at risk due to blood clots. As a trusted brand of Clopidogrel from Sanofi, it has helped millions of patients manage their cardiovascular health. Uses. Plavix is used to reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes caused by blood clots. Doctors often prescribe it for people who have had a heart attack or stroke, those with blocked arteries in their legs, which is called periphery artery disease, and patients with stents or after certain heart surgeries to keep blood flowing freely. If you are at risk of blood clots, Plavix might be part of your treatment plan. How it works. Plavix belongs to a group of medications called antiplatelets. Platelets are tiny cells in your blood that help it clot when you are injured. But sometimes these clots form in the wrong place, like your heart or brain, and cause a heart attack or stroke. Plavix blocks a protein on platelets, stopping them from sticking together and forming harmful clots. This helps your blood flow smoothly and reduces the risk of blockage. Side effects. Like all medicines, Plavix can cause side effects. The most common ones include bruising easily, bleeding more than usual from cuts, stomach pain or diarrhea. In rare cases, Plavix can cause more serious problems like bleeding in the stomach or brain. If you notice black or bloody stools, blood in your urine, or unusual symptoms, call your doctor right away. Dosage for adults and older adults. The usual dose for adults and older adults is 75 mg once daily, taken with or without food. For certain conditions like a recent heart attack, doctors may start with a higher dose called a loading dose before continuing with 75 mg daily. For older adults, the same dose usually applies, but extra care is taken because older people may be more likely to experience bleeding. Always follow your doctor's advice and never change your dose without consulting them. Plavix is a small pill that can make a big difference in protecting your heart and brain, but it is important to use it under your doctor's supervision. If you have any questions or experiences with Plavix, share them in the comments below. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and helpful health tips. See you in the next video.